Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo Tango.
Today we are going to work on paradas and sandwich.
We're going to show you a complete figure using a little stop, sandwich, and how to get out keeping the line of dance.
As well as how the follower is going to have the heels together, the feet together, and how to follow the lead to know when you should cross over the foot or just wait. But before going to the video, remember, like it if you enjoy it and subscribe with notifications. Side, back step for her, ocho, with her right, toes first, not going to the heel until you feel he's moving. And now I'm back and down my heel, but not bending the leg much. You can do a little bit, but not much because we have to keep the same distance. He will move back, and I'm waiting for him to go to the front leg and sandwich his foot. And rotating. If you notice, my knees are not facing him. I'm facing outside. From here, I lift to cross and go around with my right to step side, re-embrace him, and from here going to resolution. Side and together.
Before we continue with the second part of the video, make sure to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
Yes, you can see a lot of cases of paradas and sandwiches with a lot of details, as well as combination with other steps.
Once again, our website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Let's keep watching the video.
We are doing side step 1, momentum to rotate, tap. We don't have to go very deep, just a little tap in front of her is fine. So we can mark and we present the leg. Now, remember we have to pull from the left shoulder as we transfer body weight. Pull, tuck, and open the position of your foot, base leg. Now, in order for her to remain in access, I will have, when I lift her, I will move my rib cage towards the right. Pay attention here. Lifting and going to the other side. If I don't do that, she will fall towards me. Now she's here, lower, again, still, my rib cage is a little bit to the right. Lower, pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. My right leg was making a big effort to pivot and remain in a nice position. So from here we can lower and resolve the step.
Okay, let's work on dynamic of the step. Let's show you this without stopping. So we go and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, back, side, and together. Let's do it from the other angle. Same dynamic. We keep going. And 1, and 2, and back, and parada. Lift and front, side, and back, side, and together. Okay, here we are again. How you like it so far?
We have a few more tips, and one of them is for the leaders. So make sure, leaders, to be very clear when you lead her to go from one side to the other of your foot. She doesn't supposed to cross to the other side by herself. Keep that in mind.
That's also for followers. Don't go by yourself crossing to the other side. Wait for the lead. If you wait for the lead, you give the leader the opportunity to lead, to stop, to wait, to lift, and then lead you or showing you when you should walk again. Not because we are following the leader's rule, because this is a way we connect. This is the way we share. We follow the music. We interpret the music. So followers, be patient. I'll show you a lot of moves that you have to do when you are waiting, how you wait with the knees together, with the feet together, heels together, how you align the hips. So on those moments when you are waiting, just use all the technique, use embellishments. On other videos that we have on our website, miriamleonardotango.com, on online tango training, we have a lot of options that you can use when you are waiting, especially on sandwich or paradas. Embellishments, circles, tapping, punteos, many options. Please watch the videos.
And another tip, make sure to keep the distance with your partner. When we are transferring body weight from one side to the other, make sure to keep the same distance with your partner so you avoid bumping with her.
Those are very important tips. Also, pay attention on the embrace. Watch the video many times. See how we open the embrace, close embrace, especially on the left side for follower and right side for the leader. The action is very important to get the distance and to be connected.
Again, one more time, make sure to check out the website Miriam Leonardo Tango, where you are going to find a ton of different options for paradas. So thank you very much for your support. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you didn't do so, and like if you are enjoying this.
Share with your friends, that helps a lot.
Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.